Hi students, this is Mr. Eshin. I'm just doing a quick screencast to demonstrate what you're supposed to be doing tonight for YABC. I hope you're all doing well. And we're getting closer to the presidential election of 2020, a very important election. But I would argue as a historian that every election is important. Even the one in 2021 will be important, 2022 will be important, 2023, etc., etc. Being an advocate for the democratic process, many of you will begin to identify yourself as a Republican, independent, Democrat, Libertarian, whatever it may be. This website, I Side With, enables you to take a quiz to determine what is your current ideological base is currently. So it's going to ask you a series of questions: transportation issues, social issues, and it's simple yes, no, or other stances. If you hit other stances, a drop-down menu will appear for some of the questions, and you can answer it rather than just plainly yes or no. Kind of gives you a little bit more. So you have the ability to uh, make several different, or one selection for each, but have several different options rather than one or the other. And that's kind of why I like this site. And as you start to identify yourself as a certain party or perhaps an independent, you can also start seeing your points of view shift as you get older in one direction or another. And I will say this: always be open minded and respect other people's feelings on certain issues. And you may agree with a Republican on one thing, but a Democrat on the other, and vice versa. It is important to keep an open mind and to always research and back your beliefs. So, I mean, some questions: should a photo ID be required to vote? Other stances. Okay, it's a simple question, but that is a political thing, apparently. So, these are just questions I would like answer all of them because it give you a better um, painting of where you stand. And you go also here. I would leave the election thing blank just to see what would pop up if you give an answer. Okay. When I took the results, I left that blank and I um, found a surprising candidate that I would quote vote for. So I would leave the which one blank just to see what the survey will generate. So again, if this is not going to define who you are politically, and your viewpoints can change. But as you get closer and closer to the election, just see which candidate um, you best are the candidate that best represents you. Okay, so take the quiz. You're going to do a little writing in your assignment today, and we can discuss it tonight at YABC.